Hey everybody, Bones here, Bones Garage, bringing you update what's going on at the garage. So, we have a very special surprise for you guys, and as I pan around, you are going to definitely recognize this car. And anybody who doesn't, get on YouTube or whatever. This is the old 1974 Starsky and Hutch Ford Gran Torino. And this car is absolutely gorgeous. If you were to see this thing in person, it is so nice. The undercarriage is in perfect condition. It is all original. It's been sitting for about 14 years now. The owner bought it about 15, 16 years ago. And it is really just a cool car. We're going to be changing out these seats. We're going to try and find the original buckets that were in here. You can see it has the toss-up rotator light, the shifter for it, even has the CB radio in it. Somebody has changed the stereo into some newfangled stereo. And look at this car. Those are the original miles, 54,560 miles. This car is so cool. I cannot wait to get this thing all running and going. I mean, look at this car. Look at how nice everything on this car is. And let's go under the hood. I'll show you what's going on under there. There's the engine. Almost everything on this car, like I said, is original. All of the hoses are all the correct hoses on this thing. They even still say Motorcraft on them. That's the original Motorcraft 2-barrel carburetor on this car. It's a 351. And yeah, this car is going to be really cool. Really looking forward to getting started on this car. We're going to start off by draining all the fuel out, replacing all of the fluids in here, and then just going through the whole car, making sure everything is good and everything is going to work for them. But yeah, this car is going to be really cool. So I'll keep you guys up to date on what's going on. Talk to you in a bit. Have a good one. Okay, bye.